Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Vogue 3.0 diesel in Santorini Black. This car's previously had 3 owners and is next due for a service in March 2022. As it's part of our approved used, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll show you inside. You have matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 22-inch gloss black alloys along with red brake calipers for a sportier look. Going into the back of the vehicle, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets, which is practical for families, a centre armrest for maximum comfort, and a 3-zone climate control, so all passengers have a comfortable journey. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really useful if you have your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for things like golf clubs and pushchairs, and you do also have a parcel shelf to keep your personal items more secure, and underneath you have a spare wheel in case of any accidents. Continuing around the car, you also have privacy glass, fixed steps to make it easy to get in and out of the vehicle, and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have Range Rover script tread plates, a wood and leather steering wheel, and a lovely ivory and ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and nice to open on a sunny day. This vehicle's done 36,142 miles. That's the end of the 360 tour, so I'm now going to show you inside the car. On your right you have memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridians sound system for better quality sound. Electric windows and electrically folding wing mirrors, which is really helpful if you're in a tight space. Controls on your wheel, so you've got a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, ideal for motorways and long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. On the screen in front of you, you can view your trip, view and change your display, view your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, and driver assistance. In the middle you have a touchscreen with a sat-nav and DAB radio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, a rear view camera making parking and reversing so much easier. You also have valet mode, allowing you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, and eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Then on the next screen you can see your Bluetooth and voice control. On this screen you have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the car, along with heated front seats, which is really nice especially for winter. In your armrest you have a cooler compartment, perfect for long journeys to keep refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on a stunning Range Rover Vogue 3.0 diesel in Santorini Black, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.